Robin Black 2-minute breakdown, Movlid Khaybulaev, epic flying knee knockout, PFL. Let's enjoy this art piece from a few more angles. Boop. And, of course, bink. Couple of fascinating details. Easy to get drawn to the delicious conspicuousness of the singularity of the impact, but the true genius is in the moments before. Watch as opponent attempts to blur his intentions with down-up feints. There. This becomes the rhythmic tell against which Movlid will launch. Bink. NFT, anyone? Here's the thing, my friends. It's easy to misunderstand the role and the riskiness of feints and fakes. We'll even hear some coaches yell, more feints, more feints, more feints. But feints are not inherently good. They can be deciphered and used against us, just like any other movement or combat concept. Opponents using up and down movements in hopes of disguising intention. Will he attack the hips or will he throw a punch? Now think of these fakes like trying to play a card trick on someone. Easy to do on your little sister. Impossible to do on Penn and Teller. They'll see right through it and the trick will be on you. And then this is what happens. Movlid simply disregards the down-up feints and they become a rhythmic timing cue for him. When opponent drops, Movlid soars and bink. A masterpiece is created. There are no free movements in high-level fighting. It's a biological debate. Boop. Every physical expression changes the relationship between the trained brains and bodies within the wondrous dynamics of combat. Bink. Enjoy the hostilities, my friends.